Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking Chrysler Pacificas, and in the event that you're having trouble turning off your overhead lights, we might be able to help. Let's go outside and take a look. Well, you look pretty as always. Can I borrow your minivan for a DIY video? Alright DIYers, outside at the Pacifica now, what we will do is open up the driver's door as well as the driver's side passenger door. And in the event that your lights are on, as you can see here, ours are on, and you've shut all doors and the lights still remain on for longer than 30 seconds to a minute and you can't figure out how to turn them off, come to the front side here. You've got your circular knob for your lights, you got an inner knob, and this far right circular knob is what you want to direct your attention to. By shifting it all the way down until it clicks, you can turn your overhead lights off. Now, in the event that you do that and you still have one or two lights on, go ahead and hop inside. And again, this is a push button. All you have to do is push it and hopefully it will turn off. In our case, ours was off and now it's on. We'll go ahead and push it and it is now off. So hopefully that helps. In addition, we've got an issue with this light. You'll notice it's missing, and in a separate video we will show you the step-by-step process on how to carefully remove this plastic panel and reinsert or replace your light. And if you are interested in that, definitely check out the link scrolling above. You might find it very helpful. From here, we'll go ahead and close the doors, and again, hopefully this helps DIYers. From here, do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. One last thing, coming back inside the vehicle, in the event that you want all of your overhead lights continuously on while all your doors are shut, go ahead and shift it all the way up until it clicks and all of your overhead lights will remain on. And we'll go ahead and turn them all the way back down.